Hello, Roy. But Roy, I keep telling you, I haven't been through makeup. Anyway, what do you mean? I'm with you. Cut. Roy, stop looking at me through that thing. Hello, love. You sort of caught me unawares this time. I don't really know what to say. But seeing as you're here, hello, darling. This is my pit, as you might notice. Not the socks, Roy, not the socks. Well, I'm missing you. I'm missing you lots, and the kids too, and the dog for that matter. And Ken's making faces to me and various gesticulations in the background. It's only about 4 weeks now till we're home, and till we leave this place, and I'll be really glad to get on the boat and go for home. And well, I'll see you before Christmas, of course, and just wear some sexy things when I get home. What was it? Pardon? There's not really a lot more to say, really. It's caught me unawares a bit. Well, yeah, I'll see you when I get home, darling. I love you and I miss you a lot. Right, stop the camera. He's confusing me now because he refuses to stop the camera. And I don't know what else to say.